Hello friends! The new BMW X1. The car will feature an all-new front end designed in the Neue Klasse style. The model is expected to retain a wide range of engines. Inside, there will be a completely redesigned interior with a new multimedia system and a minimalist center console. The premiere is scheduled to take place later this year. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.